In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shipping prices in WooCommerce. Whether you're new to managing an online store or you're looking to fine-tune your shipping setup, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Shipping costs are a critical part of any e-commerce business, and WooCommerce makes it relatively simple to customize them to suit your needs. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to adjust your shipping prices, whether you're creating new zones or modifying existing ones. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is where everything in your WooCommerce store is managed, from products to payments, and of course, shipping. Once you're there, look for the WooCommerce option. It's usually located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options to choose from. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is the control center for all of your store's configurations: shipping, payments, taxes, and more. Once you click on Settings, you'll be taken to a new page with multiple tabs at the top. These tabs allow you to navigate through the various sections of your store's settings. Now, click on the Shipping tab. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your store's shipping options. Once you're in the Shipping tab, you'll see a list of your existing shipping zones if you've set any up already. Shipping zones are essentially geographic areas where you can define specific shipping methods and prices. If you already have zones in place, you can review them from here. Otherwise, don't worry, you can create a new one. If you want to add a new shipping zone, click on the Add Shipping Zone button. This will take you to a new screen where you can start setting up the details for your zone. First, you'll need to give your zone a name. The zone name is completely up to you. It could be something as simple as local shipping or international orders. After you've named your zone, you'll need to select the regions it applies to. For example, you might choose specific countries, states, or even postal codes, depending on how detailed you want your shipping setup to be. Once your zone is named and the regions are selected, you'll need to add a shipping method to it. To do this, click on the Add Shipping Method button. A small window will pop up with a few options, such as flat rate, free shipping, or local pickup. Choose the method that works best for this particular zone. For instance, if you want to charge a specific amount for shipping, flat rate is a great choice. If you want to offer free shipping for certain areas, you can select free shipping here. If you want to make changes to an existing shipping method, locate the one you'd like to edit and click the Edit button next to it, for example. If you need to adjust the price for flat rate shipping, this is where you'll do it. Once you click Edit, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can configure the details of that shipping method. To change the shipping price, look for the Cost field. This is where you can set the price you'd like to charge for this particular shipping method. You can enter a fixed amount here, such as $10, or you can use more advanced options if you're familiar with them. For instance, WooCommerce allows you to include formulas for more complex setups, but for most people, a simple fixed rate will do the job. After you've updated the cost field with your desired price, make sure to save your changes. To do this, simply click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This will ensure that your new shipping price is applied and active for your customers. And that's it. You've successfully updated your shipping prices in WooCommerce. Whether you've created a new shipping zone or modified an existing one, your store is now ready to apply the updated rates. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.